Hello everyone, welcome to the machine learning series. Today we'll continue from linear regression. In the previous session, what we discussed was what is linear regression, what are the different assumptions of linear regression. And we also discussed what is the hypothesis function of linear regression, what is the cost function of linear regression, what is the objective function for linear regression. Right? We also discussed different ways of calculating those weights. We saw how we use gradient descent to find the optimal set of weights. Right? So we also looked at what are the advantages or disadvantages of linear regression. In this session, we look at a few methods which try to improve upon certain disadvantages of linear regression. So what we'll discuss today is we'll look at algorithms like we'll look at Lasso, Ridge, and Elastic Net. Look at how Lasso, Ridge, and Elastic Net works. Right. Before that, I think there is a bit of fundamental theory which needs to be known. So this is commonly called as a bias variance trade-off. Okay. So this bias variance trade-off is one of the most fundamental concepts in machine learning. Right? So I'm just using this Lasso Ridge regression session to introduce you to the concept of bias variance trade-off. So this Lasso regression this whole thing is commonly called as regularization. Regularization, again, it's a term which is not specific to linear regression. You can use regularization coefficients or regularization terms on other algorithms as well. Okay. Before we actually go to linear regression, it's very important to understand what is bias and variance trade-off. You will see this in the next session.